Food trends take many forms, from what we eat to what we don't eat. Gluten is a case in point. Many people are giving it up, but should they? We take a closer look in today's Positively Healthy. The diagnosis can be hard to swallow. Eating common foods could make you sick. A sandwich, pizza, pasta, and more, made with wheat containing gluten. In people with celiac disease, it can cause a whole lot of hurt.
It can lead to diarrhea, anemia, and weight loss.
Celiac is an autoimmune disease, meaning the body attacks itself. It affects the GI tract, preventing the small intestine from properly absorbing nutrients. A strict, lifelong gluten-free diet is the only way to manage this condition.
When you stop eating gluten, the small bowel goes back to normal.
Gluten-free food items are rising in availability and popularity, reflecting a greater awareness but not necessarily more disease. Do more people think they have celiac than actually have celiac disease?
Absolutely. A lot of people think that they have celiac disease when, they just might have eaten a big carb diet and had some bloating.
In truth, celiac is rather rare, according to gastroenterologist Alexandra Grace.
It only affects less than 1% of the population, so it's not nearly as common as it's talked about.
Your primary care doctor or gastroenterologist can use a simple blood test to confirm celiac disease. It does not diagnose various degrees of intolerance.
There is a thing called gluten sensitivity, where patients do not have the true disease of celiac disease, which is the autoimmune process, but just an intolerance to gluten.
Keeping a food journal to track tummy troubles can help you decide whether to limit wheat products. The only people who should avoid gluten altogether are those with celiac disease.
There's actually studies that show doing a completely gluten-free diet when you don't have celiac disease can lead to deficiencies in other vitamins. You miss out on a lot of the fiber, and a high-fiber diet is one of the most proven benefits for the GI tract.
It may be a trendy diet, but getting rid of gluten is not a healthy plan.